Turkish Get Up Sit Up. Now, with this, guys, what we want to make sure is we want to be using a load that is doable depending on where this is placed in the program. Now, this will commonly be placed in our program as a priming drill. So you want the weight somewhat lighter because we're not trying to completely gas you out. We just want to switch things on. We don't want to completely fatigue it to the point where it's not working. Also, this movement can be not butchered, but if done too heavy or done wrong, we're not really working it purposefully or how we want to. So let's go through the setup. I'm going to go my right leg up. So with right leg up, it will be same hand with the kettlebell. Now I'm going to do this on both sides just so you can see. So from here, with my hand that doesn't have the kettlebell, I want to come out on about a 45. From here, what we want to do is we want to sit up. So first movement, I'm going to break this down, but then I'll make it look a lot smoother. We're going to sit up and I'm pushing on that elbow that's on the ground. Notice I've still got my arm up straight and I'm always looking at the kettlebell. From there, I come up onto the hand, still looking at the kettlebell. Nice high hips. And then this is it, guys. This is it for the Turkish Get Up Sit Up. We come back down, nice and smooth. I'm always keeping my eyes on the kettlebell and I'm always pushing the kettlebell straight up. So I'm just going to go nice and quick now for the rep. So we sit up, press onto the hand, drive up. Now, some people may say that you have to roll over onto the shoulder and elbow and then push up. The reason we're not doing that is we're trying to light up our oblique sling, our anterior oblique sling. Okay, so it's key that we don't roll over onto that arm that's out. Now, I'm going to switch sides. So I've switched sides, kettlebell, leg, arm, out on the 45. From here, again, always looking at the kettlebell. We sit up, nice and high. From here, drive those hips up. Come back down, finish down on the ground. So that is our Turkish Get Up Sit Up. Again, like I said, guys, this is an activation drill commonly used for us. However, we can also use it later on down the track in the program, that is, for a core exercise. Okay, but very commonly, this is our activation drill. Get that oblique sling firing up.